Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to allow camera access on Instagram in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Instagram app. Okay, tap on plus icon, click on camera, then not allow access this camera. Okay, then back, tap on settings, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down, choose this Instagram app. Okay, this option is disable camera option and full access. Tap on camera access, this enable. That's all. Check this app, click on Instagram, tap on plus icon, click on camera, show your camera, allow this camera access on Instagram in iPhone. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.